Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to explain you how we can use easy OCR and what is the pre-image processing required for the easy OCR. So in the first step, I had installed OpenCV Python. Then I simply added a image of a result that belongs to Faisalabad board. Then I had imported OpenCV and CV2 I am show from the collab patches, so I can show you the image. In the first step, I had read the image using OpenCV. Then I simply resize it to 1.2 by x and 1.2 by the y-axis. Okay, and make its interpolation in the cubic. Then I had shown the image at the last. As you can see the image afterwards, what I had done, I simply converted this image to gray background. Okay, then again I had shown this image to you, and afterwards I had imported a NumPy array and created a kernel with some one-on-one shapes like pixel. Then I added a dilation and erosion on the image, so I can highlight the image textual area and make it better. Then I had shown the image again, and let's move towards the next step, where I simply applied Gaussian blur and median, and so this is simply to apply multiple filters using threshold and adaptive threshold of OpenCV, where I had actually removed the blur and noise from our image. And afterward, I had shown this image, and as you can see it, then the next step I had installed EasyOCR, and after installing the EasyOCR, I had simply imported it and initiated the easy OCR with English language, and with fast GPU you can turn on the GPU, then it will perform better actually if you have a GPU. In the next line, I had provided him OpenCV image that are already being processed, and in next thing I had got my result from OpenCV and simply loop all the x and y pixel in our image, and where I took in the loop I had taken index and detection location. From the detection location I had found the text in that location. Okay, and simply printed the index and the text of our image. And in the next step I simply shown you the image. What easy OCR had done for us, it's actually detected all the text area and also mentioned the text in the red font as you can see it. And that's all. This is actually a tutorial that what is pre-processing, image pre-processing required for easy OCR, and lastly how we can detect any text from an image which is actually required. So thank you very much for seeking this tutorial. Hope I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.